Mealy machine binary full adder. So first we define that how is binary full adder. What is binary full adder? So A, B, C and some carry. These are the inputs and these are the outputs. What we have 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So let's see what we get. Here 0 0 then 0 then 0 0 then 0. Sum is 0, carry is also 0. There is no carry. Here 0 0 0 and 0 plus 1 and 0 1 1. So in sum there is 1 and carry will be 0. Here 0 plus 1 1 and 1 plus 0 1. So sum will be 1 and there is no carry. Here 0 plus 1 1 and 1 1. If we add in binary 1 1, then what we get 0 and 1 carry. If we add 1 1 in binary, then what we get 1 1 0 and 1 carry. So in the similar way, what we get here, sum will be 0 and 1 carry. Now next, then 1 0 1 and 0 1. Then sum will be 1, carry will be 0. Now 1 0 1 and 1 1 again like this only. So what we get? We get 0 and sum and 1 carry. Now 1 1 so and then 0. Then in the similar way what we get? 0 and sum and 1 carry. And now here let's see 1 1. What we have 1 1, then what we get 0 and what we get 1 carry. But again we have 1. So if we add 1 again, then what we get? We get 1 in sum also and 1 carry. Because we have 3 ones here, so 1 1 0 0. And if we add another 1 in that 0, if we add another 1 in that 0, then what we will get? We will get 1 in the sum and 1 carry is also there. So sum is also 1 and carry is also 1. So this is our binary full adder, the working of binary full adder. So now we start making the Mealy machine for this. So we start with the initial state Q0 with carry 0. Two things can be possible, either carry 0 or either carry 1. From this we can see clearly. So Q0 with carry 0. And how many cases is possible? How many cases are possible? 0 0 or 0 1 or 1 0. Only 3 cases are possible: 0 0, 0 1 or 1 0 without carry. We are discuss with carry later, but here we are discussing only without carry. So what cases we are having? 0 0, 0 1 or 1 0. So we write here 0 0 what we get? 0, 0 1 what we get? Sum 1 and 1 0 what we get? Sum 1. 0 1 1. So we write here like this. Now move to the next state Q1 with carry 1. Q1 with carry 1. So when it is possible? When we have 1 1. When it is possible? When we have 1 1. Then what will be the sum? Sum will be 0. And what will be the carry? Carry will be 1. So we reach on the next state in which we have carry 1. Start with the initial state where carry is 0 and sum is there. So what we have? For 0 0 we have sum 0. So for 0 1 we have sum 1. And for 1 0 we have sum 1. but there is no carry. Now move to the next. Then what we are getting for 1 1, we have sum 0 but carry 1. That's why we move from Q0 to Q1, next state in which we have carry 1. So now let's see what kind of transition can be possible here. In the similar way, what we have 0 1 with carry 0, 1 0 with carry 0, and 1 1 with carry 1. These three states in which we have carry. So with 0 1 with 1 0, in both we have sum 0, so we write here sum 0. But in 1 1 with carry, in these three states we have carry. So with 1 1, sum is 1, so we write here sum is 1, and carry is also 1, so carry is there. So in these three states what we have, for 0 1 sum is 0 0, for 1 0 sum is 0 0, but for 1 1 sum is 1. But in all three what we have, carry is 1. So we write here, so we move to that state and we are working on this state Q1. Now one thing is left. What left? 0 0. If we have 0 0, if we have 0 0, then carry is 0. So we move to that state. We move to that state in which we don't have carry. So for 0 0, obviously sum will be 0 always, and here carry is 0. So we move to that state Q0. So in this way, this is all working of binary full adder, in which we are getting all the sum and carry combination with these two states, Q0 with carry 0 and Q1 with carry 1. Whenever we are getting carry, then we move to that state, and whenever we are not getting carry, we move to that state. These are the transition in which we don't have carry, and these are the transition in which we have carry. So this is the functioning of binary full adder with Mealy machine.